Presenting the Zebronics 4.1 channel multimedia speakers that delivers an immersive audio experience. With a total 60 watts power output, these speakers produce loud and clear sound. The front-firing subwoofer provides impactful bass for your movies, music, and even video games. Zebronics 4.1 speaker has high glossy front panels with LED power indicator. These speakers come with USB and SD card inputs that let you connect your USB and SD card devices and play media directly from your personalized collection. The Zebronics speakers also come with inbuilt FM radio. The speaker has multi-connectivity options like wireless streaming through Bluetooth. It also has other connectivity options like USB, SD card, and aux support. The subwoofer cabinet features controls for volume, bass, treble, and more. It also comes with a fully functional remote control. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.